Today I will discuss chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In this chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, here we will be studying about the steps of the life cycle of the angiosperm. Angiosperm means the flowering plants. So the steps which are involved in their life cycle we will discuss. In this chapter, total there are many subdivisions of a topic are there. They are here. I have jotted down over here. You please go through it. Development for the formation of male gamete means microspore. As in case of zoology, we say that the male gametes are sperms and female gametes are ovum. In case of botany, we say the male gametes are pollen grains and female gametes are ovum. Here the male gametes in botany we will say male gametes as the pollen grains, and ultimately it will produce male gametophyte and female will produce female gametophyte or embryo sac. Okay, so don't mix the word sperm and ovum over here. Okay, here you have to say male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Female gametophyte, another name of female gametophyte is embryo sac. Okay, now look at the board. Development for the formation of male gamete, microspore. Micro means small. Microspores. Here, development that leads to the formation of the female gamete or megaspore. The steps are involved in megaspore and microspore. I have noted down. You please copy from the board. First is the development of anther. Pollen grains start developing inside the anther. So here we have to learn first the development of anther. That process is known as microsporangium. This anther is known as microsporangium. One anther is known as microsporangium. Next, inside the anther, the microspore will produce. So next topic will be the formation of microspores. Question can come, what is microsporogenesis? So microsporogenesis is a process of the formation of microspores, means the male gamete. Next will be the development of the microspores before pollination. They will pollinate the female flowers. So pollination will be the fourth step, and third step will be the development of the microspore before pollination. Fourth step, pollination. Fifth step, development of the microspore after pollination, that leads to the formation of male gametophyte. Now look at this side. This is a male gametophyte. The pollen tube is coming down. This is male gametophyte. Female gametophyte means embryo sac. So we have to learn this male gametophyte and the female gametophyte. So ultimately the fifth step will be the formation of male gametophyte and the female gametophyte. So now look at this diagram. This is anther, means microsporangium. There are many layers. Outer wall is known as epidermis. Inside epidermis there is endothelium layer. One line I have drawn. Inside that 3 to 5 layers of middle layer, and the green color layer is the tapetum, that is the nourishment layer which gives nourishment to this pollen mother cell. Okay, the zoomed view is this one. Outside is epidermis, inside endothecium. Next 3 to 5 layers of middle layer, this red. Inside is this green layer is the tapetum, and more inside it is the microspore mother cells. These are the microspore mother cells. So this step by step we will study in this chapter. Okay, I will discuss each and every point detailed in the next. Now megaspore. Megaspore means ovule. Megasporangium means ovule. So first is the development of the ovule, megasporangium. Then the formation of megaspore. The formation of megaspore is known as megasporogenesis. Then the development of the female gametophyte means this one, embryo sac. Female gametophyte, another name of female gametophyte is embryo sac. Now after forming the embryo sac, there will be the fertilization, mixing of this embryo sac with this male gametophyte. Then after fertilization, development of the embryo, endosperm and the seed formation. This is the ovule, anatropous ovule. Inside the ovule you can see 7 cell and 8 nucleus. This structure is an embryo sac or female gametophyte. And then the fusion of male gametophyte and the female gametophyte. So this is all about whatever is there in this chapter. I have jotted down on the board. I hope you all have noted down everything in the copy, and then step by step I will go through each and every